Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and quick review of Xiaomi Redmi 8 smartphone. This is the latest and upcoming low budget smartphone by Xiaomi. Okay, so you can see in top Qualcomm octa-core, and it comes with 5000 mAh battery. So quickly unbox it, shake it. Okay, so in top you can see the small box. Okay, let's check out what we get inside the box. So here's the SIM ejector tool, over there you can see, and some reading manuals. Okay, keep all this in the side, and you can see the phone. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. Okay, so this is a really good thing. It has a USB Type-C cable. Okay, and charger. And if we talk about the output, okay, it supports 5 volt 2 ampere. So okay, it is not a fast charger, but it supports 18-watt fast charging, which is a really good thing. Okay, keep all this in the side and come to the phone. So here you can see the phone. Quickly remove this plastic cover. Okay, it is in midnight black. You can see it looks great. If we talk about the build quality, it looks great. And if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the secondary microphone. Okay, and on this side we get the volume up and down and power key. And on bottom we get the main speaker, USB Type-C port, dual main microphone, and 3.5 mm headphone jack. Okay, and on this side we get the SIM tray. Okay, quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. Okay, so this is a really good thing. It supports dual nano SIM card with a dedicated micro SD card slot, which is up to 512 GB, which is a good thing. And if we talk about the back, it has a 12 megapixel f1.8 aperture rear camera, and in front it has 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture front camera. Okay, so, and you can see the branding of Redmi, and you can see designed by Xiaomi. Okay, and the branding of Redmi over here in front. Okay, now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give its configuration overview. It has a Snapdragon 439 12nm octa-core processor. It comes with 6.2-inch IPS LCD HD plus screen. It has 32.2 and 32.3 GB internal storage variant available. It has a dual nano SIM card with dedicated micro SD card slot, which supports up to 512 GB. If we talk about the rear camera, it has 12 megapixel camera with f1.8 aperture, and if we talk about the front camera, it has 8 megapixel of 2.0 aperture front camera available, and it has 5000 mAh battery with support 18-watt fast charging. And out of the box it gets Android 9, which is running on MIUI 10. Okay, so I've set up the device. You can see you are ready to rock. Okay, tap over here. Okay, now loading apps. It might take some time. Okay, so you can see swipe up to unlock. So you can see the UI of Redmi 8A smartphone. Okay, if we swipe here, we get the shortcut center. You can see shortcuts are available. And if we swipe from bottom, we get the Google Assistant. And if we swipe from top, we get the notification bar. Helpful quick settings are available over here, you can see, and brightness setting is also available over here, you can see. Okay, and here's the apps are available. Okay, now quickly go to settings and see how many storage we get out of 32 GB. So you can see 22.7 GB available out of 32 GB. Okay, which is a very good thing. It also supports micro SD card slot up to 512 GB. Okay, now quickly go to about phone and see its software settings. Okay, you can see device name, model number, Android version, and if we talk about the Android version, it is running on Android version 9, Android Pie, here you can see. Okay, and if we talk about the Android security patch level, it is of 1.8/2019, and the MIUI version is 10.3.1 stable. Model number, CPU, and if you talk about the RAM, it has a 3 GB RAM. It also comes with 2 GB RAM internal storage variant. Okay, now go back. Okay, now quickly check its camera performance. It has 12 megapixel rear camera. Okay, allow, and if you talk about the camera UI, okay, AI camera is also available. If you tap here, you can see camera frames are available, 9:16 full, 1:1, and 3:4 timer. Tap here to change timer settings. And if you go in settings, you can see many settings are available. Anti-banding, volume buttons function, you can see shutter, shutter down, zoom, volume, and many are available. Okay, and if we tap here, the filters available, you can see many filters are available. Okay, and this is the AI camera. HDR, tap it to turn on, auto, off, and this is the flash. Same for this, tap it to turn torch on, auto, and off. Okay, and if we swipe from right, we get the portrait mode, pro mode, and if we swipe from left, we get the video mode. And if we talk about the video resolution, okay, it captures up to 1080p, it records videos up to full HD, up to 30 frames per second, which is a good thing. Short video is also available. Okay, which is a really good thing. Okay, now quickly take a photo and check its camera performance. Allow permission. Okay, I would like to say camera performance is good. Yes, the camera performance is good. Here you can see, if we zoom in, we didn't lose the quality. You can see if we zoom in, we didn't lose any type of quality of the photo. Here you can see, in my opinion, the camera quality of this phone is really good according to this range. Okay, now capture another photo with another object. It captures very fastly. Okay, I would like to say the camera quality is really good. If we talk about the color rendering, which is really good, it captures color in a really good rendering. Here you can see, if we talk about the color rendering, it is really good, fine, I would like to say. Here you can see, and if we zoom in, we didn't lose the quality of the photo. Here you can see, we didn't lose the details. Okay, by tapping it, you can also, here you can see, rotate it, which is a very good thing. I would like to say the optimize setting. Okay, nice feature. So I would like to say the camera quality is really good. Okay, and if we talk about the security, okay, the face unlock is available in this phone, so quickly check its face unlock performance. Okay, I have set up the face. Now quickly check its face unlock performance. Okay, I look and it's unlocked. I'm not seeing, I see, and it unlocks. I see, and okay guys, I would like to say the face unlock performance is really very fast and responsive. I would like to say it is really very fast and responsive. You can see, I'm not seeing, I see, and it unlocks. Okay guys, I would like to say the face unlock performance is really fast and responsive. Here you can see. Okay, so the face unlock performance is really fast, I would like to say. Designed by Xiaomi. So guys, this is the unboxing and quick review of Xiaomi Redmi 8 smartphone. Guys, if you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.